Hi guys, I'm back with another interesting video. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Prince. I'm a full stack developer, an app developer, and I also teach my subscribers how to make money online. So please kindly make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this great video you're about to watch. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the insane results I got from starting a YouTube short channel in 90 days. So guys, YouTube Shorts is the easiest way to grow any small channel. You can easily grow a small channel with YouTube Shorts from 0 subscribers to 50k subscribers in 90 days. So guys, I have proof to actually show you guys you can actually make so much subscribers from creating YouTube Shorts in 3 months, that is in 90 days. This is a channel I started 2 months ago, and I started this channel to be able to create shorts. I really want to experience and then see how shorts can really grow my channel, and in less than 3 months I got this massive results. That is 2 to 3 months I got 11.6k subscribers with 82 shorts being posted on this channel. So guys, I'm just going to show you guys the kind of shorts I posted on this channel and how massive the views are. It's really easy. I do not even have to go through the struggle of having to watch a movie to be able to repost. I just go to TikTok and then look for trending videos, movies, and then go ahead and then get the shorts which are already created, go ahead and then edit them and then repost them on my channel. Guys, look at this. I have a video with 1.4 million views, guys. I also have another one with 2.4, 16k views, 31k views, and so on, guys. So with creating YouTube Shorts, you can easily grow your channel easily. I'm going to be showing you guys my YouTube studio. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how many subscribers that video with 1.4 million views give me. So I'm just going to head up to my YouTube studio. So here are all the shorts I've created on this channel, and then I'm just going to head over to this and then come over to analytics. And then under analytics, I'm just going to go ahead and then close this, and then we have overview, we have reach, we have engagement, we have audience. So guys, this video with 1.4 million views actually gave me 4.9k subscribers. This video with 1.4 million views actually gave me 4.9k subscribers, and if you look at it, the views has actually been increasing. It started from 24,703 views, and then boom, we are at 1.43295 million views, guys. So although this channel hasn't been monetized, but we're actually getting the results we actually want. So guys, I'm just going to scroll down and show you guys my first video I actually created on this channel. I'm just going to go ahead and then view 50 per row. So over here we have the last page, and right here, so basically in less than 3 months I got this massive results on this short channel. I had 11,668 subscribers plus 4,370 subscribers in the last 28 days, and then we have views 1.5 million, watch hour 22.2k. So guys, as you can all see, building a short channel actually worth it, and then you can easily grow your channel very fast. So if I consistently post on this channel for another 3 months, I could hit 50k subscribers, which is in less than 6 months, guys. So creating a YouTube Shorts channel actually worth it. So the question on everyone's mind watching this video is, how could you actually monetize a YouTube Short channel, since most of the videos are literally movies which are already created? Yes, these videos are already copyrighted content, and the disadvantage of actually creating YouTube Short like this is that you cannot monetize those contents. So basically, when you've grown your channel to like 50k subscribers, you can now create real content, or while you are growing your channel, you can create real content and then feature those videos as a related video on your shorts. So as you're growing your channel with shorts, you are also creating your real videos. So I'm just going to show you guys 2 real videos I've created on this channel, and then right here I have a first video and it has 19,687 views. And over here I uploaded this video yesterday on the December 22, and it's presently have 19 views. So let's see how this video perform as time goes on. So guys, these are real videos, and I'm using the shorts to actually promote these real videos so that these videos can actually get views and then provide me quality watch hour, which I can use to monetize. So as soon as I get the 4,000 watch hour for my long video, that is for this real content I created, I'll just go ahead and then delete all the shorts I have posted and then leave the channel with real videos so that my channel can get monetized and then I can easily start making money on the channel. The cool thing is you don't have to start from scratch. Having gotten over 50k subscribers, you already have audience. So as soon as you post videos, you're posting videos to the right people and they are watching your videos. So guys, if you want to learn or know how to easily grow really fast on YouTube, how to get your channel monetized, how to set up a niche and so on, guys, I have a course which explains that, which break down all this process step by step, guys. So kindly make sure you check the description of this video. So guys, if you know you find this video helpful, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can see this video and also learn from this great video you just watched, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.